Hello students, let's solve this question. What quantity of electricity will liberate 0.25 mole of oxygen molecules during the electrolysis of dilute sodium chloride? A, B, C, and D. Then let's quickly solve it. Solution. Alright, now, what quantity of electricity Q is equals to unknown, will liberate 0.25 mole of oxygen is equals to 0.125 mole then of oxygen during the electrolysis of dilute sodium chloride. Then 1 Faraday is equals to 96,500 coulomb. Now let's quickly solve these questions. So what quantity of electricity will be liberated or will liberate 0.25 of oxygen molecule during the electrolysis oxygen molecule? So I am reading this question again because of that oxygen molecule. So for this electrolysis, if you have done electrolysis of sodium chloride before, you know that we have let me write it here. We have NaCl, then we dissolve it, they say solution. There is solution here, yes. There is solution. Sodium chloride solution. So NaCl, then solution H2O. Then this one will give us Na plus Cl minus. This one will give me what? H plus OH what? Minus. Then this one is cation. Why this one is what? Anion. Then cation migrates to the cathode. Then anion migrates to the what? To the anode. So at the cathode, so we'll be looking at these two here. Then at the anode, we'll be looking at these two here. But because since we are talking about oxygen, look at where oxygen is. They are talking about oxygen here. This is where oxygen is at the anode. So I look at OH will be preferentially discharged because it is lower than Cl. So let me go with OH. Then I have OH minus. You know this is anode. So we said that oxidation occur at the anode. Here is where oxidation will occur. Then while here is where what? Reduction will occur. Oxidation occur at the anode while reduction occur at the what? At the cathode. So I will have OH react to OH we oxidize to what? OH. This is OH minus. This one there is no sign here. So minus, if there should be sign here, there should be 0 here. So minus and 0, which one is higher? 0 is higher, so this is oxidation. So OH has been oxidized. Then why am I even writing this? I want to get how many electron or how many molecules of oxygen that was used to in the discharge of this particular solution. So this one will now give me OH will give me what? We react with OH to give me what? H2O plus what? Plus oxygen. Hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 2. Hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 2. Then the oxygen will pair with itself to produce a molecule, which is what? O2. Then I collect these things. I have OH minus. I can add my E to this place, E to this place. Then I can add my E to this place. So OH minus react to give me H2O plus O2. Okay, then if you really know what I'm doing here, please go and watch my video on electrolysis. So electrolysis of sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, copper 2 tetrasulfate 6 and tetrasulfate 6. I have done all this thing there. Then the cathodic and the aniodic half cell reaction. That is what I'm just doing here. So this so plus my E minus, then hydrogen, oxygen is 3, 2, hydrogen is 4, oxygen is 4, ion is 4. Then how many molecules of oxygen will I be needing here? Is 4. So I think this is the equation I'm using here. So I think O2 minus can still have to give me O2 plus what? Plus E minus. Then oxygen is 2 here. I balance it with 2 here. 4. So, but I would prefer this, but they are the same thing. But I would prefer this from the equation. Sodium chloride solution. Then we need 4 Faradays. Then we need 4 Faraday. 4 Faraday for the discharge of oxygen. So I will use this formula. Q is equals to NEF, NEF, NEF. Q is equal to NEF. Where Q is my quantity, Q is my quantity of electricity. Where Q is my quantity, then while Ne is the mole or number of mole of electron, is the number of moles of electron. Then why this one is my what? Is my Faraday, which is F. So according to this question now, I can erase this place now. Let me erase. So you should jot it somewhere. Okay, let me see if I can manage it. So for oxygen now, we have 4 here, which is 4 times 96,500, which is equals to what? 4 times 96,500 is equals to what? 386123 coulomb. Then I will use my formula. Q is equals to NEF. Number of mole of oxygen is 0.125. They say what quantity? Q is equals to what? 0.125 times 386000. So if you multiply times 0.125, we will have what? 48250 coulomb. That is the answer. 4825 coulomb. That is option B.